Hey, what's up, folks? How's it going? This is Abhijit here, and welcome to Devops Engine. So today we are going to understand two concepts: error handling, try except, and also how to handle JSON file. They are the two concepts you'll be frequently using as a DevOps engineer. So first, we'll start with error handling. I will open a Python file in VI editor, paste this one. So what I'm doing, I'm asking user to enter a number, or it can come from anywhere, socket or some other places it can come. And that number I'm expecting that it's a number, integer. It's an integer, that's why I'm converting it to integer and trying to store it in a value. And table.py, but let's say it came from socket or user, some junk value, so it crashed. And integer can be anything, positive, negative, anything. And so I can use is digit also instead of try except. But what is the problem I will discuss. So if it is a digit, uh, let's take it as an input, and int. Okay, enter int. And if it is a digit by enter int 123, it works fine. A B C D 123, it fails. But if I enter negative integer, then also it fails. Okay. So I have to handle negative integer also, and if else, if I have to add that, it will be bigger. In a real life scenario, there can be 100 different errors, and we cannot handle all these 100 different errors. Some errors we don't know also. So that's why it's better to handle through try except. So here we'll be doing it to try except. Won't be doing error handling using equals. Input, enter a number, then explicitly saying that it's a integer, then you have entered integer. If it is not integer, then we can say that please enter integer. Please enter integer. So some young value, please enter integer. Correct value, okay, 1, 2, 3, 0, this is also fine. Negative number, that is also fine, right? So this is a try except, and the home task, what you can do, you can check if a log file does not exist, bring log file not found. So try to open a file. So we have discussed different file handling functions in file handling video, last video, and you can try to open the file. Try open some file data.txt, etc., or log file. And if it doesn't, if it is not there, then it will throw error, and you use except or some other mechanism to catch that error and fail it instead of crashing. So this is a problem for practice. Now we'll go to the JSON part. What is JSON? JSON is JavaScript object notation, and it's a text-based human-readable format. It stores structured data. So how does it look like? It looks like this: app name, user, service. So key value pairs. Key is app name, value is user service. Key is port, value is 8080. Log level is key, value is info. So it's a key value pair, like a dictionary. Support arrays and nested object. Lightweight data format. Easy for machine to parse, easy for human to read, and it's very commonly used in APIs. So when you are making, let's say, some issue happened and you want to make an API call to Jira to create a ticket. So for that, you will be making API call. You will be sending data in JSON format. So most of the communication, API communication happen using JSON. You will be sending JSON object. So you put all your information, ticket description, ticket reason for failures, a title, etc. in a JSON object, and you will be sending it to the API call. So this is also a very common scenario, and as a DevOps professional, you'll be using this quite often. So you'll be converting Python dictionary to JSON string. So we'll have a look at a simple example. So input JSON, we have to import the JSON module. Then this is the Python dictionary, data CPU 75 mem40. Maybe we are running on machine, we are collecting the data, creating this Python on the dictionary object, and then we have to make a call, API call, and we'll be passing JSON object. So let's write it down. Okay, here what we are doing, this is the Python object. Maybe we have collected from the machine, what is the CPU percentage, memory percentage, all this kind of information we collected and stored into dictionary object. So this type I'm printing so that you see what type of object is this, whether it's a dictionary object or something else. Then using JSON module, JSON dumps data, you are creating a JSON string and then printing the JSON string. So it will look same on. Then again we'll be printing type. So if you print this type, you will see that JSON object also will Python will print as a string, but not all strings are JSON. JSON string will have key value pair. So to check whether it's a really JSON object or not, what we'll do, we'll try to load this. We'll try to do JSON load on this string. If it is a proper JSON string, it will be loaded. If it is not if it is a normal string, like it's my name in a string, a widget, and double quote, so it will fail because it's not a key value pair. Right? And so that we are going to see it here. Here also we are going to use try and then accept JSON decoder. So this is just to check whether this is a really JSON object or not. After conversion, what we got is a JSON object or not. So you can see that class is dictionary, the first print. This is a dictionary. This is the first print dictionary. So this is a dictionary object. So that's why it's printed dictionary. The next print is next one is CPU 75. So it looks like Python dictionary only, this one. This is like str. So in Python, JSON string and normal strings are both str in Python. JSON string and normal string are both str in Python. But how do I know whether it's a real JSON object? So that's why we are trying to load it. If we are able to load this string, then it's a JSON string. Otherwise, it's not a JSON string. So let's see. Now what we got. We got a message that this is a valid JSON string. So try this out. Try hands-on. Like type this code on your with your hand, and then only you will remember. Then only you will develop muscle memory. So try this out. Don't copy paste. Try this out. And your home task will be write a function JSON validator or something, where you will be taking a string. Function will take a string. You can use this first string and see whether it's a valid JSON or not. If it is a valid, it will return it's a valid. If it is invalid, it will return invalid. And second one, whether it's a valid or not. So I have provided that information. It's a first one is invalid and second one is valid. But both are you can see both are like string. So try this out. This code is already there. You just need to modify a little bit and make it a Python function. Okay. So try this out. So that's it for today. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe. And thank you for watching this video.